Hello everyone, my name is Audri and I'm from Myanmar. Currently I'm studying hospitality management at Saigon Business School in Vietnam. Before I came here, I have passed a job for 2 years. I work as a receptionist and administrative assistant. While working there for 2 years, I encounter a lot of a customer and a lot of I have to engage with the customer a lot. So that's why I was instructed in customer service. I researched about what kind of what should I learn further, and finally I found Saigon Business School. So it offers business management and data science and hospitality. So among these subjects, I chose hospitality management because I was really interested in engaging with customer. So that's why I chose, and also my education consultant recommend that I choose Saigon Business School because it's connected with the school I want to attend after I studied 2 years in here, which is SHMS. So that's why I choose Saigon Business School. I encounter a lot of fun activities, especially we have hotel tours, which is really give a lot of opportunities, job opportunity as well. From the trip, we got a lot of connection as well with the very famous hotel like Marriott, Echo, and other newer so many hotel the school arranged hotel tour. So we got a very good connection. I landed an internship opportunity at Marriott as well. Then other fun activity we also have to organize school activities such as Christmas and also Vietnam New Year, a Lunar New Year Thai fair as well. We have to participate in those events because we are hospitality major. So we make a drink for a cocktail, maltake, and other stuff for the whole student, and we serve them. So we got a lot of event organizing skill as well as communication skill. Also networking scale, so we have to connect with everyone at school in that event as well. Those are the very good experience. My goal is not only study in Asia, so I would like to study in Europe. The good news is I got a scholarship, 22% from the SHMS. We got a lot of help from the Saigon Business School. I found my future goal while going to the hotel tours. In the future, I would like to be a hotel manager or general manager at one of the big hotel, such as Marriott, Echo, a big goal in the future. Advice for my future self is keep going and don't hesitate and don't stop for any situation.